Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my first voiceover video, and in this video I'm going to be doing a pink eyeshadow look with the Morphe 25L palette that I recently did a video on. So right now I'm just putting some dark brown into my crease, a color that kind of matches my skin tone. Okay, now I'm going in with the color Heart from the palette, and I'm adding that into my crease as well. And y'all, excuse my hair in this video. I feel like I look like Meek Mill off that movie that used to be on BET when he had the braids. Now I'm going in with the color Love Wins from the palette, which is like a hot pink color. I'm just adding that in to deepen the color because the other pink wasn't really dark enough for me. Okay, now I'm adding the color Life, which is like a dark red color. I'm adding that mainly into the crease as well. Now I'm going in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil. I think it's in Milk. And this came like as a random thought to me to just add that as kind of like a liner. Since I don't really have any colored eyeliners, I was trying to, I guess, make my own. Okay, now I'm going over that Milk Jumbo Pencil with the color Heart, which is the first pink that I started out with that was too light. So I'm like using that as a liner. And if my face looks really ashy or you see white spots on my face, I did prime before I started the video. So that's why my face looks white in some areas. Okay, now I'm going to add some mascara to my natural lashes before I put on my falsies. I got these lashes from Amazon. I forgot exactly where, but they are so big, and I feel like my eyes are way too small for these huge lashes. So it was really hard to get them on at first. Now I'm just going in and doing my foundation, which is from Smashbox. I think it's like the hydrating, one of the hydrating foundations they have. The concealer that I'm using is from Fenty. Okay, now I'm just going in and adding some translucent powder. I got this from Walmart. It was like $5. I'm just adding some black liner into my waterline, and I'm also listening to Beyonce, so that's why you keep seeing me stopping dancing. You cannot listen to Beyonce without dancing and singing along. I went ahead and mixed the darker colors, the darker pink colors that I used on my top lid, and added that to my lower lid. And I also added a sparkly pink color to my inner corner. I went ahead and added a little bronzer and a little bit of highlight, and now I'm going to line my lips as usual, and I'm using a nude lip gloss from NYX. Add some setting spray from Urban Decay, and that is it. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.